Hello everyone, my name is Gansoyeon and today I'll talk about a very special topic. The topic is, what if a group of creatures disappear from the earth? First, let's think about the food chain. If plants disappear, herbivores will also disappear from the earth. Why? Because before plants die, herbivores need to eat them. When herbivores all die, omnivores and carnivores, like hyenas or bald eagles, will eat their bodies. After all herbivores are gone, carnivores will hunt omnivores, like pigs, rats, and crows. But in that, carnivores will die too, because they will find and hunt each other for food. This shows that if one group disappears, the balance of nature is disturbed. Finally, many animals suffer and hunger will spread. But not everything is negative. If humans disappear, nature will also change in other ways. The oceans and rivers could become cleaner because there will be no cars or factories. The oceans and rivers could become clearer because there will be less pollution. Many animals may live more freely because there will be no humans to cut down forests or hunt them. So in some ways, the earth might start to heal itself. What can we learn from this idea? It is not just an imagination. It tells us that humans are very important to the earth, but also very dangerous. We must protect nature and we must keep biodiversity. If we take care of the environment, humans and animals can live together. So don't let this imagination become real. Let's keep the earth safe, let's keep nature in balance, and let's remember that every living thing is important. Thank you for listening to my presentation.